Ay, good morning. May kalipi ka. Contest kami karon na. Papawala-pula ka, lips.
Lumuang. Kanina. Diyan mo tanong.
Papa kita, mga presidente. Ang news queen, ha? Pinyana.
Nominee.
Good morning. Heidi Best in Nominee Award. Mama Belletti. Good morning, Monagi. Ano dyan?
Sa December 20, i-judge na natin ang lantern nyo. Design, muli matawag ka 753,000 opening the lights natin sa Banwa ng Manila. Nag-let minimal all the barangay officials. The first, second, third, is coming December. Financial assistance.
Udah ka to ginano kaya na. Ilit ang kabayo na inis mo ko.
Di ba lang kung orange, ano ganyan? Kapag namin mga seksyon ikaw ang orange, pinakonsider ikaw sa presuhan ng tali.
Sa jail.
Kailangan na. Actually, ako may problema.
Judges. So thank you very much, SB Capadocia. We also have Police Major Sergeant G.P. Calar of Haniway Municipal Police Station. To receive a consolation prize of 2,800 pesos. Ninth placer is Juana Garden of Barangay Palama. Barangay Tamuan. Sixth placer is Juana Garden of Barangay Tamban. To be please be in front. The two remaining barangays who are competing for this year's title as the champion for Juana Garden winner or grand winner 2020 or barangay officials to be please on stage and be ready to Kabaluna and our Kalipi focal person a trophy and a cash prize of Congratulations to Mrs. Arnelia Lopines. Third placer, Betty Herrero. First placer is Juana Garden of Barangay DG and of course our champion for Juana Garden 2025 on their second year as the champion Barangay San Lucia. Ladies and gentlemen, I will announce the first place. That means the remaining barangay will be our champion for Juana Garden 2025. The first placer will receive 6,000 pesos. And the champion will receive 7,000 pesos. First placer is Juana Garden of Barangay DG Sanlutia. Ladies and gentlemen, I will announce the first place. That means the remaining barangay will be our champion for Juana Garden 2025. The first placer will receive 6,000 pesos. And the champion will receive 7,000 pesos. Is Mrs. Marjorie Valete. Requesting Miss Elda Manquillo to please step at the side before you receive your award. So ladies and gentlemen,
Congrats, Abordo!
thank you very much.
Tapos,
A round of applause to our Juana Garden champion.
may tamon na ba?
2025. Receiving Pamayan mga barangay, holding hands, DJ Aborto and Barangay San Julian. The
Darned! Congrats!
Mrs. Mark Villet is Master Teacher 2 of Aniway Pilot Elementary School and currently before we end our ceremony this morning, let's listen to a short message to be given by Ilumi.
Wow! Mga beautiful women!
Picture ready ko ka gusto hanggang.
Isa-isa rin sa ganito. Isa-isa ka rin sa linya ka magkabit. Linya. Linya na iyan. Kaya ibig ata na ka mga video. Kasi ka.
Ay, nakashare ako. May mga nihal ko ng gusto. Sige. Ready? 1, 2. Lunch tayo sa loob. Let's go inside. Awa, hello Ma'am Mariona. Galang, diyan kami. Turo kami sa kami ka Lamisa. Ano kami sa Kalipi? Forwarding ha, si Mama. Si Mama rin sa New Jersey. Welcome to Seafood House. Seafood House. Hello Ma'am Mariona. Galan, malans lagi sa imong new open food house. Let's get inside. May artista galigi, may artista galigi. Si Silvia Sanchez kasi sino dito, Caridad Sanchez. May RSB1 dito. May nagkaroon serve ang rice. Ay pang ulam. Naging kita ang karanan. Seafood, welcome. Seafood house. Welcome sa Shade Heart.
Oo naman, iba sa kaliman eh.
Malans kami
May
gi.
duha ng katao.
Mga menu. Another menu, mga Coke, 25, Mountain Dew, che. Ano dyan?
Sa bayo.
Let's eat. Thank you, Lord.
Congratulations to all of us.
Thank you sa blessing. Lunch time. Ma'am Aliona, Few Seafood House. Dito, lunch kita sa imo nga newly open food house. Let's lunch mga Kalipi women after awarding. Let's so kag magkain, kain na. Ng picture. Nandiyan nga seafood house na kapo na nag-open na.
Akapon na dyan ang open. Di mo pa cellphone?